What up, YouTube?
Oh, ready?
We are actually about to go get Dan's car washed. Oh.
Yeah!
Well, you know, in Mexico. We're about to get Dan's car washed before we do the spoiler install.
Yep, so we're at our favorite car wash in the area right now.
Yeah.
Just get her a little bit clean.
It's already packed here.
Just because you can't wash the car with the spoiler on it for a couple days.
Yeah, because the glue.
So I'm not trying to...
The glue cannot get wet for the next, like, 4 or 5 days after we do the install.
Yeah, I want it to look somewhat good after the vid. That way it's not just good-looking spoiler and the car's dirty, just, you know.
Yeah, real dirty. What I don't understand, though, is you would think, you know, it's December in Michigan that people wouldn't be washing their cars, but the wash is packed.
Bro, how is it this packed?
You could go down that one, yeah.
That's what I'm about to do.
Check it out, guys. Pulling up.
Alright.
Alrighty, guys, hold up. We're gonna flip the camera.
Alright.
Going in the wash.
Boom.
Oh, yeah.
You already know.
The belt going through the camera, messing up the angles.
I like to roll the car back till it's flat. There we go. You break up. Boom. One rev to let them know.
Let them know that we here. Turn the car off.
Boom.
Let's go.
All right.
Oh, looky here. Who's that? Who's that?
My name's Jeff.
My name's Jeff.
My name's Jeff.
That meme, we know. Oh, but here is the female of the hour, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh yeah.
Looking all dirty. You know we got the Grand Caravan over here.
You know, broke life, bag of change.
Bag of change with that, what's that label say, Dad?
Veggies.
Veggies. Wonder who gave you that bag?
No, I don't know. Somebody.
Me.
So we're about to wash the car, do a quick little time lapse, and then we'll meet back at the house and continue the video.
Yup, deuce. Alright guys, the car's washed. We're about to head back home, start this install. Dan, you ready?
Oh yeah.
We ready.
Let's get it started.
Alrighty, YouTube, so we're back at the house. We're actually at Dan's house today for once finally. And as you can see in the box, it says American Muscle pre-painted parts.
I wonder.
Wonder what it is. But anyways, you'll see what it is in a couple minutes. There's another small box behind that box. Wonder what that is too. I mean, jolly. There's just so many boxes in the garage today.
I know.
But currently we got Dan taking off all the clips for this carpet piece.
Yep.
And then after that, we'll crack down these 4 bolts. And we'll start doing what we do best. Modifying cars, baby.
You already know.
You already know, guys. So once this comes off, I'll pick the camera back up, and we'll continue with the steps.
One quit giving me trouble.
Alrighty, guys. So as you can see, that piece is off.
She's off. If you ever wondered what the third brake light looks like on a 14,
That's what it is.
there it is.
It's just plastic, not even plastic. I don't know why I said plastic. Metal.
All over here.
And these are the 4 bolts that we're gonna be taking off. There's a rubber grommet right here.
Yep.
And
One
bolt
2,
right there.
and then underneath this grommet here.
One right there, and another grommet right there. And low-key, Dan's screws are a lot easier to see.
Yeah, they're
So
right there.
this spoiler install should go smoother than mine did.
Oh,
But
yeah.
nevertheless, mine came out perfect. This should come out perfect too.
Oh yeah.
Alrighty guys,
Alright, guys.
we're gonna start cracking down on these bolts.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Alrighty guys, so one bolt or one nut is coming out right now.
Working on the second actually.
And Dan's getting the second. You know, the struggle
Oh.
is
That's it right there.
that's right there. 4 of those and the spoiler comes off. That's crazy.
Right?
But there's the bunch of the glue, so
And you gotta cut around the, sometimes like yours, it's a bolt.
yep, 4.
And it's like a stud that's on the bottom side of the spoiler, so when you're cutting the glue,
You gotta,
you gotta
worry
like
about
lift
the
it up and
studs.
then go around it, and it's
Yeah,
kind
it's a
of a
pain,
pain.
but in the end,
it's worth the look.
it'll look freaking
Oh, yeah.
amazing. Yeah.
And you tilt the spoiler or the trunk down like this, so that way if the bolt falls off the head of the socket, it doesn't just drop down inside of the abyss of your trunk. So, boom.
There's another one more, and we're gonna set the camera up for a
Time
time-lapse of us
That-
getting this glue off. And
That's
today we had a
arguably
fishing
the
line.
hardest part about doing all of this
Yeah.
is cutting that glue is just annoying.
But luckily today we got fishing line
Instead of dental floss.
Instead of dental floss.
Both do work.
Yeah,
We did do mows with dental floss, but the fishing line should be stronger and shouldn't break as often.
it should just cut right through. Getting this last nut off. You know, while Dan's getting that last nut off, I'm gonna show y'all our donor. Fishing line right here from this rod. Hasn't been used since we were in elementary school, probably.
Jesus,
At least elementary school.
All right.
And for those of you who don't know, I used to be Dan's neighbor, so that's
Yeah.
how we
He used to
became
live in the same neighborhood as
Yeah.
me, 2 houses down.
2 houses down. That's how we became best buds. All right, all nuts are down. I'm gonna set the camera down, and we're gonna start ripping this glue off. Alrighty, guys, we got all the glue off. Dan's about to glue on the rest of the residue. I'm just gonna warm it up real lightly, just so that it just should glide right off. Alrighty, guys.
Alright.
The moment you all been waiting for. What is that, Dan? Why don't you enlighten us and show us right quick?
Is my new spoiler. Some of you, I'm pretty sure all of you will actually know.
Yeah.
If you're a car person, you know exactly what this wing is once you see it. You can probably already tell by the shape. This is the 2011 through 14 GT500 spoiler.
Struggling to open it.
Thought I had it right here than I did, but everything else is fine right off.
But yeah, it's paint matched to his car. Like he said, GT500 spoiler. Shelby product like Katrina.
Painted in USA black.
Yep, USA black, baby.
That was the color for this year, I guess. Or
For this special girl right here, sitting all nice in the garage. Surprisingly, it's actually not that cold in here, guys, but
really not, actually.
there's a little sneak peek. I'm gonna flip the camera, one sec. There we go, guys. Ooh, look at that mirror black finish. Man.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she's about to be sitting so nice.
Stupid thick.
And it has the indent
Yup.
right here.
all the way down.
All the way down. It's gonna.
Because if some of you may know, you can add a flap extra to this. It's called a gurney flap.
Yeah, and it's carbon fiber.
Yeah, it looks sweet.
We're gonna have to drill for that, so not today, maybe another day. We'll see.
Yeah, but for now, spoiler's gonna look mint.
Oh yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna start doing this. Pick the camera up whenever we feel like. Deuce. Alrighty, guys.
Here we are.
The spoiler's
the wing
on.
is kind of loosely bolted on right now.
We just
have to peel this tape off.
Peel the tape off.
And
fasten the
tightening
bolts.
it down, and then that's it.
Press down.
She's installed.
Clean it with some alcohol.
It looks so good.
It looks so amazing. Oh my god.
All right. So
Wow. All right, guys.
let's get to pulling.
We're gonna pull it off. Do the honors, Dan. Be real gentle with it. Yeah, like butter, guys. Like butter. And we taped off the end so that there was no way that we were losing it. One entire sheet. Bring it down just a little bit.
Go ahead and just let it set.
The lighting's kind of dark, guys. It's already pitch black outside, so I don't really know what to tell you. We're doing the best we can. And there's the final tape.
That's it.
That is it, guys.
Okay.
Fasten those bolts and push down, Dan. All right, guys, 1 second, because I need to get him some light. Oh my God, a wild Dan in his natural habitat.
Do you see how thick this wing is,
guys? Dan, shut that. We haven't shut the trunk yet, guys. This is the first time shutting it. Dan's about to get a glimpse of what it really looks like. Dan, go ahead, Dan. We waiting.
Bro, we need before and after pics because I don't think you guys realize like the previous wing was like to here, if that. It was like to here.
Oh my!
And it never stuck out any. It didn't stick out.
Guys,
and this is all just stuck in.
Look at that, bro.
The fucking fitment too.
And that is the design. So anybody that wants to say, "Oh, it's not sitting flush," it's
that's the design.
That's
yeah,
the
it's
design.
bolted down all the way.
It's bolted down all the way. Wow.
Yeah, it's good. It's.
Man, hit those lights for me, Dan. Hit those lights
I don't know if
for
you're
me,
ready.
Dan.
I don't know if you're ready. It's a GT500 now.
Where's the Shelby badge?
I'm not trying to play
Nah, I'm
GT500.
just
Don't get me wrong. I know I have the quad tips, the valence, and the spoiler. I just really like the way it makes my year look.
Man, it looks
The
freaking amazing.
twin tip exhaust and that little spoiler. I could have done the California
Guys,
wing, but
just
this wing
look at
just
that,
looks.
bro. You got so many mods in one shot. You got the quad tips, the vivid line. Hit the lights one more time.
Oh yeah.
The side
Vivid
markers.
lines, tinted LED bars,
And the freaking spoiler looking dumb thick.
Shit.
Oh my god, bro. Rear end shots for days, cuz. Rear end shots for days.
It's on. Woo! Let me go show them. Let me go bring the stock spoiler out.
Yeah. That's what it looks like.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone.
What you think, Dan?
I don't know. I'm ecstatic. This is.
Guys, this is.
I always wanted this wing. I just wasn't 100% sure on it. I was kind of hoping that after the SEMA Auto Show, they might come out with something new for my year, but they didn't come out with anything new for my year or even Mo's year.
Yeah, it was all for the 18.
Basically,
which is understandable, but
yeah, because a lot of people are modding it out. But
still,
you know,
man.
I'm happy with this.
Kick those lights on one more time, man.
I don't know if y'all ready. Bam.
When I tell y'all guys, the camera doesn't do this side.
Oh, man,
It
we
does
said
not.
she was back. I told y'all.
Oh, we said Monday something was coming. It took a little longer, but
Oh, it's here regardless.
wow. Wow.
What up, guys? So, it's the next day. We ran out of daylight after installing the spoiler last night. And we're on a closed road right now. Just taking a few pics. It's Mo over there with the camera. And guys, it is looking incredible. Look at this. I'm gonna flip the camera here so you guys can see what it looks like in daylight. The wing turned out perfect. Look at that. Look at these two. Oh my God, that's perfect. Before, the wing barely went past this body panel right here. And now I got a solid 2 inches at least out from the back. Mo's got the 350 wing, yep. Looking crispy as always. Oh, it's looking so good. So, after we're done taking pics, go back to the house, edit the video, get everything set.
Say what up, guys? You know,
Cameraman
full
mode.
photographer mode. You know,
So,
guys, just
It's going good. All right, guys. Oh shit! What y'all know about this? What y'all know about that? Hey, hey, hey. What up, guys?
Oh.
Mount issues.
Oh.
Mount issues.
There we go.
Boom.
There we go. Okay. We are back in my house, guys. Close this out, Dan.
It's been a good day. Everything went smooth last night installing the spoiler. We did do one extra mod. We didn't actually film it. It's such a quick and easy mod. Mo has the same one. It's the BBK oil separator.
Hold on, guys. Technical difficulties.
There you go.
RU2. The video is over, guys. We hope you had a good time.
Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like on the video.
Drop a
Means
comment.
lot.
Yeah, drop a comment below. Let us know what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong.
Let us know what you want to see in future
Yeah.
videos.
And besides that, guys, make sure you share the video with everybody you know.
Hit the subscribe button.
And like we said, drop a like and have a bell on. And it's cold. I'm shivering.